Hi everybody, I'm really excited. My husband and I got a big trampoline for my 3 kids and we work out often. So now my kids are gonna be happier and have a safer way to exercise with us. Okay, so we just opened the box and as you can see, everything is inside. So we have more stuff in here. So let's just see what we can do. I'm gonna pull everything out and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so we just unboxed the package. And as I mentioned before, the brand is called Doufit. So here's the instruction manual right here, which actually has all of the stuff in it for you. They actually have gloves too, which I love. So here's all of our things. That's everything that fit inside the box. All right, so now me and my kids are gonna put it together. So our trampoline is done and it looks very sturdy and very safe. The ladder, which is very convenient for the kids to go up and down. I have a 3-year-old, so it will be great for him. And then we have a spring pad over here, which is 20 millimeters thick. And the spring pad protects me and our kids from stepping on the springs, which you know does not feel good. And then these pipes, oh, look at these pipes. They're so great, so nice. It's wonderful, and I think my kids are ready to jump on the trampoline. Now it's time for the kids to have fun. Thanks to Doufit, my kids are really enjoying it. This is a great purchase, great buy. I highly recommend it. The kids love it, and we do too.